Starting your savings journey with Raisin? Let's walk through how to register to open your Raisin account. It only takes a few minutes. Go to raisin.com and click register or download the Raisin app. You'll be asked to enter some details like your email, your name, your address. Raisin asks for these details because Raisin Bank is a registered bank, regulated in Ireland and Germany. And rest assured, all of your information is stored correctly. Once you've registered, you'll need to verify your identity. And you can do this easily by using the Raisin app or on your computer. You'll just need your passport, and the good news is there is no need to book an appointment. This can be done easily from the comfort of your own home. Next, you'll be asked to provide proof of your address. This can be a utility bill, bank statement, or official letter issued in the last 3 months. You just need to scan it and no need to post or hand it in anywhere. Once that is out of the way, Raisin Bank will provide you with your very own Raisin Bank IBAN. You will also have to nominate an account that you will use to transfer funds in and out of your Raisin account. This is usually a current account that you use for your day-to-day banking. And that's it. From there, you can explore over 100 savings accounts from trusted banks across Europe and compare terms, rates, and each bank's country of origin. Your Raisin account is ready and your savings are managed securely in one place. Welcome to Raisin, the home for your wealth.